Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch. Now the problem here is the central heating is not working, but the hot water is. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this, and I'll be sharing that with you on this in this film. Hopefully you like it, enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, first thing I'm going to check is the diverter valve, the actuator, if it's moving or not. Now I'm trying to tell how to tap out, and it's in that top position. Then I'm going to switch the tap off and put the heating on and see if it moves down. If it doesn't, then I think that the actuator is faulty. But I've got one in my car anyway. I'm going to try that out. After about 3 or 4 minutes, I've got the demand on for central heating. It's fired up on central heating, but the diverter valve is still stuck in a hot water position. Now the case on Worcester-Bosch, right, they're very sharp. I know I should have some gloves on, but I'm kind of used to it. And so whenever you're working on these, right, just be careful. Now guys, if your boiler is broken down, domestic or commercial in South Birmingham or the surrounding area, give us a call. We repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right guys, just tested the radiators out and they were working fine. The actuator is going up and down. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Right guys, sorted the boiler out. The diverter valve was gone. So put a new one in, it's all we can find. It's a quick fire job. So we can find now. The hot water was working, but the central heating wasn't. So it's all sorted. Birmingham boiler fix.